This video will show you how to draw a very special marine creature called the Nautilus. Before we start, here are some tips for watching this video. We will start with the shell, for which I will first draw a circle. And it doesn't have to be very precise, but approximately like a circle. And then once I have a circle I like, I'm going to divide it into 4. Then I'm going to extend the edge like this to form the bottom of the shell. And then I'm going to come in at the top right and close it out. And now I'm drawing this upper flap, which is called the hood. And then here is the eye. It's not perfectly round, it's flattened. And then I'm going to loosely sketch out the tentacles. And you can make as many as you want to fill the space. Make sure to make them different lengths. After this, I'm going to sketch out the patterns on the shell, which is what makes the Nautilus shell so beautiful. And what these are is approximately triangular shapes, all going towards a single point. Be sure to make these loose and sketchy. It's always better to give them a shaky edge. Like this. Now I'm going to add a little more detail to the hood, a second line, and the hood is hard and kind of like a crab shell, so it has these bumps on it. So I'm going to draw these shapes to give it a little bit of texture. The second sketch is looking at the same Nautilus shell, but from a different view. Now we are looking at it a little bit from the right. The shell looks a little bit compressed and flattened. So I'll draw these lines to make sure that the height of the shell is the same in both drawings. And because we are now looking at the shell a little bit from the right, we'll see more of the hood than before. So in this case, it kind of looks like a duckbill almost. And then down here is the opening. And then again the tentacles. As before, some texture on the hood, showing some bumps and ridges, and then the patterns on the shell. So now that's all the line work I need to do, and now I'm going to go ahead and ink this out. To draw the tentacles, Draw two lines close together at the base and then bring them to meet at one point at the tip. That's the line work for the first drawing, and I'll go ahead and do the same thing for the second. So here's the finished drawing. I've gone ahead and filled in the patterns with black, erased all the pencil lines, and added a little more texture. And to do this, you can be pretty creative and let yourself go, and it'll turn out just fine. I hope you enjoyed this video and will have fun sketching. As always, thanks for watching.